Morning, pack leaders. This is here, friends. All right, protecting families, protecting pack. Want to give you guys a XBTUSD short setting for Mad Hatter. Market's been going down lately, so as of this morning or last night, the 8th, we started shorting. It switched from a long to a short and has been shorting ever since then. So it's at 6 in the morning right now. I exited, so we're just waiting for a position. But as of yesterday to now, it's already made $470 if I estimate 10k at 10k Bitcoin, just to keep the math simple. And this is at 20,000 contracts, and this is where we currently are right now. Go ahead and take a snapshot of the setting. 10x leverage, no position short, currently no position. Make or cancel. Make sure you copy everything as is. All the check boxes. This is important too for the safety. And there's the Bollinger Band settings, RSI, and MACD. Try this out for yourself, and if this works out, you want to get access to the tuner. It's in the description below. The tuner does decide when to long and short, and eventually it'll decide when to go back to long. I just don't know when, but usually once the trend starts, it starts to short for a while until it starts to see a reversal or something. Okay. All right, there it is. Hope this helps you with your bot trading. Thanks for watching.